Launch off for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, Nature Man here. Today I'm leading an outdoor adventure. As you can see, I have a lot of troops behind me that are looking to up their wellness and experience the great effects of sunshine in the great outdoors, secondary to vitamin D activation and basically alveolar saturation of oxygen. So I'll keep you updated if we see any amazing wildlife or organisms of great specialty. And thanks for watching episode 6. So my team has chosen the path of mystery. We do not know what we're gonna see around the bend or around the end. To your right, we have another path of mystery. And to your left, we have yet another path of mystery. We're gonna choose to go north because north is where the North Star is. And following the North Star, you can never go wrong. What? Okay. I should be up the entire tree in 2 minutes. Don't hurt your shoulder. Okay. Should I like spot this man?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Your Crocs.
Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Crocs are slipping.
Crocs. Not the Crocs.
Oh my god. Here.
Scaled that actually.
He's gonna get down.
Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get down.
I think Jesse's gonna have to come back the same way you got up there.
Okay, jump. Oh.
Don't jump from there.
Yeah, please don't.
Yeah, I think you gotta lower the way you got on. Yeah. That is not very sturdy. Oh boy. Oh wow. Wow.
He has no fear. No fear.
Well done. Wow, that is amazing.
Right here, my team is getting hungry, so right now I'm gonna show them the magenta berry that is endemic to the area. Now this berry, if you have a certain genotype, it's actually extremely poisonous and fatal. But if you have another genotype, it's extremely tasty. The magenta berry, if you have a certain genotype, it's actually extremely poisonous and fatal. If you have a certain genotype, it's actually extremely tasty. There's only one way to find out.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Don't eat that. Don't swallow that.
So I've just swallowed the deadly berry. I have exactly 5 minutes to live if I have the toxic genotype. If I do not, it didn't even taste good, so I'm not sure why I did it. Stay tuned. This is Nature Man, and this is tree swing, take 1, 360 degree spin, secondary to gravity. Here we go. Launch off for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He didn't mean that was okay. Wait, what? At no point did X Games rookie look like he was in control of his body during the entirety of that run. But he just stayed on his feet.
All right, guys, as you can see here, we have some feline friends from the genus species Caninus philolinus, and they're just little cats, and they could be infected with toxoplasmosis, so I must get them off the territory.